Hey guys, what happened? How to use your iPhone as a security camera for free. So you can download a free app like Alfred Home Security Camera or Manything from the App Store. Okay. Next, set up your old iPhone. Install the app on both your old iPhone as the camera and your current device as the viewer. Okay. If you have an extra phone or extra iPhone, go ahead and download the same app, Alfred Home Security. Okay, and then position the camera, right? Place and hold the camera, right, like this. Okay, in a spot with a clear view. Plug it in for continuous power, right? Next, just monitor remotely. Okay, open the app on the main phone, which is the current phone you're using, to view the live footage anywhere. Bonus, if you want bonus tip, get motion alerts in night vision without spending a dime. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.